Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, The Paint Box. I'm going to be showing you guys how to put charms on your nails with a punch tool. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to have to put a hole in my nail. I've already have them done. So I have to open these and I have to put a hole in my nail for the one of these to go in. And I just got these from Michaels, and I'm gonna put them in one of them in my nail. So let me open it here. And actually this is the one I want. Okay, so I'm actually going to cut all of these so that I can use them more than once, because there's like 6 of them on here, and they're really for like a bracelet or a necklace. But I'm going to take the needle nose pliers to pull them apart. And I actually have some more clasp right here. So I'm just going to put one on there. I'm just going to do my thumbs right now, just to see how they look. You want to make sure that the hole is not so close to the outside of the nail. There we go. Now make sure you push it through this end too, just like a drill. Remember, not too close to the edge. Just enough where the ball will hang. But you don't want it too close to the middle either.